In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to upload an existing file to Google Drive. One thing to note before you begin uploading is the settings on Google Drive. If you go to the little gear symbol in the upper right, it is the settings, and you click on settings. It takes you to this menu, and it gives you a choice whether to convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. And you can click that and it will automatically upload. When you upload a file, it will automatically change it from a Word document to a Google Doc. Or you can uncheck it and you can decide manually whether to convert or not. So for our purposes here, we're going to first look at how to convert the file yourself rather than having it be automatic. So we'll uncheck this box and click Done. Now in order to upload a new file, I'm going to go to New. And New is going to give you several different options. If you want to create a new document, a new Google Sheet or new Google Slide, you can go to the menu down here. Google Docs essentially is Microsoft Word. Very similar options, very similar formatting. Google Sheets is analogous to Microsoft Excel. It's a spreadsheet. And Google Slides is like PowerPoint. All three of those have very similar features, very similar menu options, etc. Also under More, there is some options for other things, including Google Forms, and there are other apps that you can connect to and add to Google Drive, like this MindMeister that I've added for creating graphic organizers and charts. Google Forms is really interesting because of the way you can create surveys and quizzes using that, which we will talk about in a different tutorial. So what we're going to do this time, instead of creating a new document, is we're going to upload a file. So we're going to go to File, Upload. When we click File, Upload, it is going to automatically open up a window of my computer, and you're going to select a document to upload. So here we have a Word document, the matriarchy reading. This is from my sociology class, and so if I double click on this, it's going to upload it. You can see the upload occurring in the lower right here, and it says it was really quick. And now it says it's uploaded it, so I can close that window. And it appears up here with this giant W on it, which tells me that it is a Microsoft Word format. And then after a second, it's converted it, and you can see the preview text. Now, all the ones that have this W here are Microsoft Word, where the ones with the blue box with the white lines in it, those are Google Docs. So how do we take this Microsoft Word document and turn it into a Google Doc? Of course, you can open it in the Microsoft Word format. Just by double-clicking it, it's going to open basically a preview version of it that you can see here. But that doesn't allow you to edit it or change it in the way that we are interested in doing. So one way we can do it is after we double-click and see the preview, we can click on Open With at the top, and we can open with Google Docs. And then it's automatically going to do that. The other way you can do that as a shortcut is you can right-click on the reading, and you can, among many other things that you can choose Open With and choose Google Docs. So selecting that will make it automatically convert the file from the Word format to the Google Docs format. So you get the result here, and it automatically tags this with the .docx, which you can of course edit and take off if you don't want that there. But now we have an editable document that we can change anything we need to. So we have now created a Google Doc. And if we go back up and we close this and go back to Google Drive, what we can see is we now have two different versions. We have the Docs version and the Word version. As soon as we've created it, we can delete the one that we no longer need. So I don't want the Word document version anymore. So I'll right-click on that, and down at the bottom, I have the option to remove it. So you've removed one file. That's done. You're left with your Docs version. You can also then sort all of your files into different folders. You have the drop-down menu here under My Drive, which gives you different folders, and you can add folders by clicking New and adding a folder. So you can keep all of your stuff organized just like you would in your My Documents on your computer's hard drive. So I'm going to take this matriarchy reading, and I'm going to drag it down into sociology. So I put it there in sociology, and it's going to move it automatically for me. Now if I go to my sociology folder, here we have the matriarchy reading, which looks like I had already uploaded. So remove any unnecessary files, and you're finished. So you would follow the same process if you were going to upload a PowerPoint or a Google to a Google Slide, or if you were going to upload a Microsoft Excel file to a Google Sheets. You would follow the same process of file upload and then tell it to open with Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides.